Yo. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I don't really know what this video is. It's basically everything I did to prepare for my trip. Kind of. I'm going to Dublin and London next week. I'm really nervous and excited. I ordered some clothes, so it's kind of like going to be a haul, and I need to pack. I already started like a little bit, but not really. And yeah, so I just got the first package, which is fun. The first package is from Nasty Gal, that's how you pronounce it. And I've never ordered from this before, so I'm really curious. I ordered some pants, and I really hope they fit and they look nice. How do I open this? I mean, it looks nice. Can't really say anything if I don't try it. Let's try them on. I haven't said this on like YouTube or anything or Instagram, but if you follow me on Twitter, you could possibly know this. But the crackhead inside me jumped out and got a meet and greet for Shawn in Dublin. So I kind of need a meet and greet outfit now. I'm thinking of either wearing this with a white top. I also ordered some other things because from ASOS there's going to be a yellow dress which could be cute for the meet and greet, and there's going to be another t-shirt which is cute. I'm not going to wear that for my meet and greet, but like it could be cute for something else. And I ordered a jacket, a sweater, and that's it. So from what I can see now, they do fit. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks weird in my opinion. I don't know why. I'm gonna put on the shirt that I was planning to wear it with. I actually like this. It's actually cute. Look. It's this top from Forever 21. And they're actually nice. I kind of like them. And this shirt. But I don't know if I like this enough for the meet and greet. But honestly, at this point, I don't even care. Well, I do care about my outfit, but like, do I like this? I don't know. This is really comfortable actually. I love this. I'm gonna keep them for sure because they're very comfortable. I just need to check if this is what I want to wear for the meet and greet. Hi friends. I just got back from handball, so that's why I look like this. But you know, I'm not gonna get ready for this video. So we have another package which is from Bershka, so it's my new jacket and a sweater. And I'm really excited. Ooh. I will try it on to see like how it looks and stuff, but I mean, it looks nice. It's just a teddy jacket, which is cute for London. And then I have this sweater. It looks smaller than I expected. It looked kind of oversized on the photo, so I ordered a medium so it would be bigger. But actually it's not that big. It looks really small. But we're gonna try it on. So I'm wearing the new pants with it as well because I thought that would be cute. But like the sweater is literally so much smaller than I expected, but it is kind of cute. Like it's pink and it's cute. I just wanted a pink sweater. Then we have the jacket, and it's really soft. I just really wanted like a black jacket, so you know, can't really go wrong with that. Like this is just black. Like on the one side I feel like it's gonna be like warmer soon, and then I can't really wear this because it's like really warm. But on the other side I'm like, I really wanted a black coat for London and Dublin, and like I don't have one that's like warm enough. Actually the sweater is really cute. It's just that it's smaller than I expected. Now I'm gonna get the rest of my makeup off my face and edit a video. Okay, it's now the next day. Don't mind how I look. I still look horrible, but that's because I'm literally not doing anything today. It's the last package I ordered, by the way. And I just hope that those clothes fit because I'm really excited for this. Oh my god. If this doesn't fit, honestly, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh my god, if this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be actually really sad because this is literally the cutest thing ever. I've been wanting this for so long. This one might be too big, but I don't know. And I have this one in white, and I wore it for my Amsterdam meet and greet. The white one I ordered from the ASOS Petite, And then this one from the normal ASOS. I ordered the same size as I did with the petite one because I thought it's better if it's bigger than small. So I feel like this is gonna be too big, but we'll see. And then I have this t-shirt, and this is gonna be cute. Well, I hope it's gonna be cute. Like, isn't this cute? I love this. It has the like and symbol in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and then it says unity, and I just think it's cute. I just want to try on this one. I'm so excited. I swear this is the cutest thing I have ever seen. I'm not gonna lie. It's really cute, but it's really big. Because look, it's like this, and then here, or like here, it's really big, but maybe I can do something about that. I don't know. I'm gonna show it to my mom, and then I will get back to you guys. So it's obviously way too big. Like, it's literally so big, but my grandmom is probably gonna try to fix it, and hope she can, because this is honestly so cute. I just want to have this. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna try on the black turtleneck. Actually, I don't think it's that bad. Honestly, it's just a black turtleneck, and honestly, I'm happy with this. Now I'm gonna see if this, like, on top of it is cute. Like, this is supposed to be like a really oversized shirt, which it obviously is. Honestly, I love this. I really do. I love this. Oh my god. Okay, so obviously it doesn't look that good with these pants, but that's what I was wearing today. I just need to figure out how I want to wear this, but it's cute. I love this, and I don't know, I love the colors especially, and yeah, this is succeeding. That was all the clothing that I got for London and Dublin. I will probably talk to you guys again when I'm packing. I'm making a pack list right now so I can like have everything together, what I need to pack. Also, I think I haven't done this in a video, but I just really want to say thank you for 2,000 subscribers, because we hit 2,000 subscribers, which might not be a lot for people, but for me it is, and we're already on 2,084. What the heck? I'm really thankful for that, and oh my god. Anyway, if anyone owns this dress in a size small, let me know. I will buy it for literally 2,000 euros, because I literally, oh, I love this dress. I just wish it was in my size. Hi, I'm back. I'm probably gonna pack tomorrow, but right now I just kind of want to get the stuff that I kind of want to bring like already together. So I just did that, and then I realized that I was making a video about it. So I threw some stuff into the suitcase. It's like, this is never gonna fit. How am I supposed to fit 7 days of clothing and stuff in one suitcase? There's no way. The other thing I'm doing right now to prepare for this trip is finish all my schoolwork, because I have a few deadlines on Monday, but I will be in London, so can't really do that in London, can I? I just don't know how I'm gonna fit all my stuff in one carry-on. Like, I really have no clue how I'm ever going to do that. So that's fun. Right now I'm just gonna plan the outfits to see what clothes I need to bring. Bought a new toothbrush. Fun. Headphones. Fun. Polaroid film. Fun. So for meet and greet, I was thinking of wearing these new pants with the belt. And then with either like a basic white t-shirt, this one's from Bernie Melville, or with this white top. And then I have this pink sweater that I'm probably gonna wear on Monday during the day with these pants. We really have to outfit repeat because I can't bring too much. I don't have space for that. Then on a Tuesday I have the first show, these pants with the white top. Then for the Wednesday, I think I'm gonna wear this black t-shirt and then with a yellow dress. I don't have it here right now because it's at my grandmom's. Thing on the Thursday, I don't have a show, so I'll probably wear the black turtleneck with this oversized t-shirt. And then for the third show, I might bring something else to wear during the day, but for the show, I want to wear this see-through shirt with like flowers on it with this bralette, and that's cute. This is never ever going to fit. I'm so excited because I'm spending like almost a full week with all my best friends in Dublin and London and Amsterdam, and I meet James finally, and I meet Shawn again, and I see him 4 times, and that's just, I don't know, it's just, I'm so excited, honestly. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go now. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Really excited for this trip, and I hope you guys are excited for the vlogs, because I'm probably gonna vlog every day, almost every day, because I really enjoy the tour vlogs, and I'm really excited. Like I think I'm gonna need a few more SD cards, because I don't have storage anymore. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Well, you're probably not gonna sleep right now, but for me, good night. Bye. Oh my god, I heard his live tomorrow. Nevertheless, today is Friday, the 12th of April. Okay, so I have like a lot of stuff that I already threw into my suitcase, just so that I like had it in there. I have a pack list here. Basically what I'm putting into my suitcase right now is just everything that I don't like need anymore, you know? Okay, so usually I pack my clothing on this side of the suitcase with like this, and then here I pack like other things. This is kind of like not interesting for you guys to watch. I'm just gonna go and put like the clothing that I'm definitely gonna bring into the suitcase now. Oh my god, guys, I'm so tired of this because I literally just can't pack. Like, I'm so bad at packing. This is never going to fit. Like, I don't even have half of my things. Like, I just don't know. Well, I didn't finish packing, but I need to leave now, so I'm probably gonna finish packing. Maybe I have a little bit of time tomorrow, probably not. Probably finish packing at like 5 AM on Sunday. But right now it looks like this, and it's never, ever going to fit. But, you know, we'll see. So yeah, I need to leave now. This is what I'm wearing. I don't know if anyone cares, but yeah, bye. Hi guys, I'm editing right now and I realized that I never put an end to this video, which is stupid, but here we are. And I also just realized that I never ended up actually showing you what I exactly packed and how I packed and like how I made everything work. Just a little bit of explaining. Basically, the Saturday I went to James's show in Amsterdam, then I got home at 1 AM, then I took a shower, and then I packed. So fun. I packed at like 2 AM, then I went to sleep at 3 AM, and I had to wake up at 5 AM, which was hard, but it was fun. Like, it was worth it, but it would, let's just say it was worth it. I had my little backpack with me, which I put like my liquids and like my electronics, everything like that, and then I just had to squeeze everything into the suitcase. It could barely fit, but I made it work, and I made it back home with all my stuff in the suitcase safely, so I guess we can call this a success. I honestly can't really tell if I find this video interesting or entertaining. Honestly, I don't really like it, to be really honest. I don't know why, but I really felt like I should still upload it for some reason. So I hope you guys still enjoyed the video and maybe find it somehow helpful or something, I don't know. So I hope this video was somehow still interesting, and I hope you guys are excited for the other vlogs, because the next few videos are probably gonna be my Dublin vlog and my London vlogs, which I am really excited for. I'm starting to edit everything now, and like the Dublin one is probably not that interesting because I was only there for 1 day and it was just, I was meeting Shawn, so I was stressed. Still, I hope that one's still nice, and then the London vlogs are gonna be really cute because there's a lot of people in it, and I don't know, I feel like they're gonna be cute. So yeah, I hope you're excited for that, and I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on any of my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!